Hello and welcome to the Hurricanes Lab. It's entitled Coastal Development and Changes in Hurricane Hazards. So as you do this, the students, you, will determine how changes in coastal development have altered the risks presented by hurricanes by analyzing historic maps and aerial photographs. Students will also describe how risks have changed over time from coastal development and changes in storm frequency. In addition, students will consider the relevance of hurricanes on society. So changes in development, you get to compare old and new aerial photographs and maps. And just a basic question, what do you see? Here's a map and an aerial photo. What are the changes that you see? We're looking for things like changes in the number of structures and roads, not so much changes in the way the image looks. But then we go on to costs of hurricanes. I'll walk you through some of the costs associated with hurricane preparation, and also after a hurricane occurs, there's sometimes deaths and how costly a human life is, and changes in hazards and risks over time. We've got a table here. Use the information in the table to create a few graphs. You can do it in Excel. You don't have to do it on this piece of graph. You can use Excel. You don't need to turn in these graphs. So however you do them, that's fine. But you got to do them correctly because there's questions based on the graphs. And then after go through the costs, then we move on to satellite imagery of Hurricane Katrina area, New Orleans area. And so you go to Google Earth again and you use some of the historical Google Earth layers to answer some questions about flooding in New Orleans, the lower Ninth Ward. And you can make some hypotheses about whether New Orleans is a great place to continue living. And note here, there's lots of answers to questions 23 and 24. So do you think that continued habitation in New Orleans is safe? Why or why not? Obviously, it's based on your opinion. But for the quiz, you just get to pick the most moderate answer to get it right. But if you'd like to, you can totally email me your opinion, and I would love to hear it or see it or read it. Also with question 24, in 150 years, do you think New Orleans will still be inhabited? Why or why not? Again, it's the future, 150 years from now. That's a prediction. There's no real right answer. But for the quiz, choose the most moderate answer. It should be obvious which answer is the most moderate. And then you can definitely email me your opinion for this question too. You can also email me questions on the lab. If you have any questions, I'll try and answer them. And that's it. Good luck. Get 100%. Have fun. And move on to the next week. Bye.